y'all gonna see from the, I don't even know what's from the title, but yeah, we're gonna put this wig on for Wear It Wednesday. Now, as you can see, the hair needs to be detangled and the hair needs to be done up. So for Wear Wednesday, I am going to be wearing this wig, and it's been a while since I wore this wig, but I did realize like it already has like a curl in it, and I really just need to style my hair and detangle it and just kind of put this down for the week because my hair has been definitely growing since it's been in braids, so I just want to keep that healthy growth. So make sure you got your spray bottle, make sure you got your detangling brush and some detangling leave-in conditioner because we about to get this head together. Okay, now hit that subscribe button because it's Wear It Wednesday and we back. Yeah, so as y'all noticed, I've been wearing, well actually before we start, we're just gonna go ahead and just wet this thing up. You really don't want to be messing your hair if it's just dry. That just makes it want to break off easier. But if y'all notice, I've been wearing my clip-ins, my little not lace fronts because I don't wear lace fronts, but my clip-ins and you know my U-part wigs. Those really help my hair do what it needs to do. And then I'm going to go ahead with my Wakati. This is a detangling like conditioner. It's really, really good when it comes down to detangling any type of hair. And I'm talking about your clip-ins, your weaves, all of that. But most importantly, your natural hair and giving it that nice conditioned feel. So I'm just going to work that all in there, making sure each section is really saturated because you really don't want to be messing with your hair and it's not as saturated as it could be. So as you can see, it's already starting to kind of pull out, but I'm gonna go ahead and split this up into another small section because who wants to be doing it here and it hurt? Okay, so we got that. Now I'm gonna go ahead with my detangling brush and I'm gonna just start to detangle it. Now from the looks, it don't even look like, oh girl, how you gonna detangle that? But it's actually not that bad. And just like that, now it's no perfect way for this. I'm gonna just go ahead and braid this down. And with braids, I really can't tell you like, oh, this style is best for this style is best for that. Like I personally, or like not saying this style, but how to like braid, I can't really tell y'all how to braid. I just figured this is how you braid, and that's what I've been doing for years, and it's been working for me. Alright you all, so I went ahead and just braided the rest of my hair down. So I got a plaque right here, a plaque right here, a plaque in the back. And I'm going to just go ahead and twist them together. Make sure you got some bobby pins. And secure that. Just like that. So now we're going to take this wig. And again, it's already like curly, so you really don't gotta do much to it. I think why it's curly is because I put some flexi rods in it. So now I'm just gonna swing this to the front. And sometimes they're hard to clip, so you can use like a little thing. That's good. And now, with more bobby pins, securing underneath. So it's very much curly. And then I got my front right here. And I split the front already, but as you can see, the hair is doing what it needs to do. Okay. So now I'm going to take my edge control. I'm already feeling this already. Like, the wig has been sitting so long, I kind of just been like, oh, what am I going to do with it? But it actually don't look that bad today. So I'm excited. Oh, not edge control yet, not edge control yet. I'm going to take my curls leave-in conditioner. Again, love this conditioner. And I'm going to get the front nice and together. And you really can't even see like that split back there. So I'm really excited for how this is about to turn out. I'm going to go ahead and clip this back so the curls is out the way. This side too. Now just a little spray because you don't want the edge control not to like mold the right way. Okay. And then you're going to take the edge control. And you're going to put it right on the edge. Same with the other side. And then you're going to take your brush. That's kind of like, do that. And I'm going to twist this. So yeah, so I'm gonna twist this all the way down. And then I'm gonna bobby pin it up. So you're kind of hiding the track if you can see it. I don't know if you can see the track, but from this angle you can't see the track. And then I'm gonna take the clip off, and this is what we got. It's cute. It's cute and it's gonna do. This is gonna definitely be my style for the week. And I'm going to go ahead and put some edge control. So now I'm kind of giving my head a break from like the clip-ins, like the track clip-ins. And we got a style. Okay. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side and I'll be back. Okay, y'all, look at that. So you see, you could do a braid, you could do a twist. I didn't want to do too much, but you know, if it doesn't feel as secure, you can put more bobby pins. So I even have like these ones. And I'm gonna just secure that in like that. But yeah, now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. Okay, yeah. All right, y'all, so this is the final look, and I could do a little 280, whatever, 360. But yeah, we still going with the no makeup look. I definitely want my skin to breathe, because if y'all didn't see that last YouTube video, the skin was, it just was not doing what it needs to do. And if you do want to just add a little bit of oomph, I got some curl refreshing water by Thank God It's Natural, and you can kind of just spray it for a little shine, a little smell or whatever, because it has been sitting up in the closet. But your girl is looking good today, okay, y'all? But as you can see, the hair is hairy, and if y'all want to see more of these Wear It Wednesdays, y'all know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. These are quick, easy styles that you can do. Literally, these tracks I've had for a couple of years now, but once you style them, sew them up onto a weave cap, you are good to go. And we could do that another time. But yes, okay, and I got to go, so y'all already know what to do. Bye.